Are you looking to jumpstart your freelance career and find online job opportunities? Look no further. Here are some of the top freelancing platforms that can connect you with clients from around the world. 1. Upwork. Upwork is a leading freelancing platform that offers a vast array of job categories. With its extensive network of clients, Upwork provides a reliable platform for freelancers to showcase their skills and find exciting projects. Number 2. Freelancer. Freelancer is a popular platform where freelancers can find a diverse range of job opportunities. Whether you're a writer, designer, programmer, or marketer, Freelancer provides a platform to connect with clients and grow your freelance business. Number 3. Fiverr. If you're looking for quick and small gigs, Fiverr is the place to be. Fiverr specializes in offering a wide range of services, allowing freelancers to create gigs and attract clients who need their expertise. Number 4. TopTal. TopTal is an exclusive freelancing platform that caters top-tier professionals in fields such as software development, design, and finance. If you have exceptional skills and are looking for high-quality clients, TopTal provides a platform for top freelancers to connect with premium projects. Number 5. Guru. Guru is a platform that connects freelancers with clients across various industries. With its user-friendly interface and workflow collaboration features, Guru provides a seamless experience for freelancers to showcase their abilities and secure projects. Number 6. 99 Designs. If you're a graphic designer, 99 Designs is the perfect platform for you. It focuses especially on design-related projects, allowing freelancers to participate in design contests or work directly with clients for their design needs. Number 7. People Per Hour. People Per Hour is a platform that caters to freelancers in web development, design, writing, marketing, and more. With its flexible payment system and a variety of project options, freelancers can find suitable opportunities and set their own rates. These freelancing platforms provide incredible opportunities for you to grow your freelance career and work on projects that align with your skills and interests. So why wait? Sign up today and unlock a world of online job possibilities. Thank you for watching.